Hey there, Lendermarket investors! In today's video, we'll guide you on how to read your pending payments account statement and identify the pending payments interest you have earned. All loans have repayment schedules and extensions can apply. Ordinarily, once a loan reaches its final maturity date, all of the associated interest and principal repayments from your investment will appear in your available balance and your account statement, following financial settlement payments from the loan originator to Lendermarket. While Lendermarket has raised the performance benchmarks of pending payments across all loan originators, it is necessary to note financial settlement timeframes can vary and are never instant. If your interest and principal repayments are delayed, they'll appear on the pending payments account statement until released. If the delay exceeds the grace period, you'll receive additional interest known as pending payments interest. The pending payments account statements function slightly differently from your regular account statement. Therefore, identifying the pending payment interest you received may not be immediately obvious. Let's explore how to read the pending payments account statement to identify pending payment interest. As you can see, this loan's interest and principal repayments have entered the pending payments account statement on this date. There is just one single pending payment interest transaction recorded as the grace period has now elapsed. This means an additional interest payment, called pending payments interest, is being applied to compensate the investor for the delay. This is normal. Unlike what you'd expect on a regular account statement, the pending payment interest transaction appears only once and the corresponding date doesn't change. Instead of daily, individual transactions, the pending payment interest amount is updated until such time that it is released following financial settlement payments. Once released, the interest, principal repayments, and any applicable pending payment interest be removed from the pending payments account statement. Then they'll be recorded on the regular account statement. Further, the associated funds will appear in the available balance where they can be withdrawn or invested into new loans. To wrap up today's video, here are the key takeaways. Interest transactions on pending payments are updated daily. The dates listed on the pending payment account statement indicate when the interest and principal were initially recorded. Once a financial settlement is completed, the interest and principal will be transferred from the pending payment account statement to the available balance. Lastly, don't forget that pending payments can be reinvested manually or while using the Auto Invest tool. That is it for today's video, folks. Hope it was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to us.